friends, we have seen the first method of preparation, that is catalytic hydrogenation of unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, so from unsaturated hydrocarbons we have prepared alkanes. Now we will see the second method of preparation of alkanes. Okay, so that is also very interesting method. Now take the heading, by using what, or by reduction of alkyl halides. Second, write down, from alkyl halides we can prepare alkanes. From alkyl halides you can prepare these alkanes. Alkyl halides, you know the formula for alkyl halides, RX alkyl halide. Okay, so from alkyl halides we can prepare these what, alkanes. First, in that first we will see by reduction of alkyl halides. By reduction of alkyl halides. By reduction of alkyl halides. Okay, note down the heading. Okay, so here alkyl halides are reduced by using reagent zinc and dilute hydrochloric acid. Okay, now see, I am writing one reaction here, friends, and you also note down the reaction. Suppose I am taking here CH3I. You know it is called methyl iodide. Okay, methyl iodide. If it reacts with zinc and dilute HCl, it gives this hydrogen, which is obtained by the reaction between zinc and dilute HCl. Okay, this hydrogen in square bracket it is written, that is called nascent hydrogen. Okay, it is called nascent hydrogen. Remember, atomic hydrogen you can say, nascent hydrogen, and that nascent hydrogen is obtained by the reaction between zinc and dilute HCl. Okay, so when this methyl iodide reacts with zinc dilute HCl, reduction of this methyl iodide takes place. And how this happens? Now the cleavage of this occurs. One hydrogen goes with this CH3 and there is a formation of CH4, plus another hydrogen goes with iodine and it forms HI. So we get alkane, and this is what, methane. Okay, so this is the reaction. Note down the reaction. This is called nascent hydrogen. Okay, two hydrogens, atomic hydrogens you can say. Now you can take different examples here. Different examples you can take here. So methyl iodide is an example of alkyl halide, and these alkyl halides on reduction. Now this also reaction is called reduction reaction. Why it is called reduction? Because there is addition of hydrogen, and the reaction in which there is an addition of hydrogen is called reduction, we know. Okay, so reduction of methyl iodide takes place and we get alkanes. Okay, so this is the first reaction we have seen. Example. Second example I am taking here, CH3 CH2I plus 2H. It is called ethyl iodide, right? If ethyl iodide undergoes reduction in the presence of zinc and dilute HCl, it gives you CH3CH2 and H, CH3CH3. Okay, plus HI. This is what, ethane. It is the alkane. Okay, note down these reactions. Okay, so generally we can write here what is the general explanation of this reaction when alkyl halides are reduced using zinc and dilute hydrochloric acid, they use alkanes. Okay, so write down this line also. when alkyl halides are reduced using zinc and dilute hydrochloric acid, alkanes are obtained. Okay, alkanes are obtained. So when alkyl halides are reduced using zinc and dilute hydrochloric acid, alkanes are obtained. Okay, this is the second example we have seen here. Now we'll take the third example. You can note down the third example. Suppose I take here CH3 CH2 CH2 Br. It is called N-propyl straight chain alkyl group, N-propyl bromide. And if I reduce it using zinc and dilute HCl, I will get what? This undergo breaking, and there is an addition of hydrogen here, CH3 CH2 CH2 and H, it becomes CH3 and HBr. Okay, CH3 CH2 CH3 plus HBr. This alkane, you know the name of this alkane is propane. Okay, note down this reaction. So by reduction of alkyl halides we can prepare alkanes. Okay, ठीक है. तो होमवर्क के लिए क्वेश्चन लो इस टाइप की रिएक्शन पे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टेक. The question on it. So here basically alkyl halides or haloalkanes, they are converted into alkanes. Okay, so you can convert haloalkanes into alkanes. Basic, what is general reaction? RX, where X is bromine, iodine, etc. Okay, plus 2H zinc dilute HCl, RH plus HX. RH is the basic general formula of alkane. Okay, this is general reaction. So take questions for homework here on this section. First question, or write down the question here. Convert the following. CH3 CH2 CH2 Br, CH3 CH2 CH3, CH3I CH4, CH3 CH2 Br C2H6. Okay, take down the questions. Okay, so you can easily convert these alkanes, alkyl halides into alkanes. ठीक है. Now you see the second method by using here from alkyl halides you can prepare alkanes by another reaction that is called Wurtz reaction. Okay, it is called Wurtz reaction. What is that Wurtz reaction? We will see by using reactive metals. Write down second method of preparation. In this, from alkyl halides you can prepare alkanes by reduction. First process we have seen, from alkyl halides we can prepare alkanes by direct reduction of them. Okay, there is no change in the carbon atoms, but now the method of preparation we are looking at, from alkyl halides you can prepare alkane, but in this process the number of carbon atoms will get double. Okay, so write down second. In this case, by using reactive metals, by using reactive metals, this reaction is called Wurtz reaction. This is the name of scientist. Now what in this reaction, now highly reactive metal, for example sodium is taken. Okay, so alkyl halides, यहाँ पे देखो मैं एक reaction लिख रहा हूँ, CH3Br plus 2Na plus BrCH3. This is called methyl bromide. This is also methyl bromide. It is called coupling reaction. एक सोडियम के लिए एक मिथाइल ब्रोमाइड लगेगा, दो सोडियम के लिए दो मिथाइल ब्रोमाइड लगेंगे. ठीक है, तो two sodium and two bromine they will combine and they will form side product. This reaction takes place in the presence of dry ether, and there is a coupling of these two methyl groups takes place here, plus 2 NaBr. This is called ethane. Now see, look at the reactant here. Reactant contains only one carbon, right? And product is having two carbons. Okay, so अगर आपको मिथिल ब्रोमाइड का कन्वर्जन इथेन में करना है तो आप ये Wurtz रिएक्शन यूज कर सकते हो. ओके, मींस reacting alkyl halide here, methyl bromide with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether. So when methyl bromide reacts with sodium in the presence of dry ether, ethane is formed. What is the explanation of this reaction? When methyl bromide is treated with sodium metal, which is reactive metal, in the presence of dry ether, ethane is formed. Okay, see here we have converted methyl bromide to ethane. Okay, note down the reaction and its explanation. ओके, तो आप यहाँ पे रिएक्टेंट भी चेंज कर सकते हो. जनरल रिएक्शन में और एक लिखता हूँ यहाँ पे, जनरल रिएक्शन. दिस इज व्हाट एग्जांपल ऑफ अल्किल हैलाइड. ओके, सो यू कैन टेक हियर RX I am writing again this reaction as, now see, general reaction I will write again. What is the general reaction? This is the example typically. Okay, what is the general reaction here? Very simple. Alkyl halide, we have to take 2 moles of alkyl halide, RX, this 2X they will combine with sodium and it forms 2NaX, and RR group will get coupled and it forms alkane, higher alkane. It is a higher alkane because it contains twice number of carbon atoms than alkyl halides. Okay, general reaction. We have taken one example. Okay, so you can write generally what is the explanation of this. When alkyl halides are treated with sodium, metal in presence of dry ether, higher alkanes are obtained. This reaction is called Wurtz reaction. Okay, note down this explanation and the reaction, general reaction. Okay, so this is general reaction. So you can take any example of alkyl halide here and you can prepare alkanes, but you must know what reagent is to be taken. Which reagent? Here we have taken sodium in presence of dry ether. Okay, so in place of sodium you can use nowadays we can use different metals. For example, later on the metals such as magnesium, lithium, they were used, okay, in place of what? Sodium. So Grignard reagent is one of the reagent that is used to prepare alkane. Now how the Grignard reagent is prepared? What is Grignard reagent? So see, I am writing the reaction for preparation of Grignard reagent. Preparation of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. How Grignard reagent is obtained? In short, it is called Grignard reagent, G.R. Okay, it's not a general reaction. Okay, it is a Grignard reagent. Now, how it is prepared? Rx, alkyl halide is taken, and alkyl halide is treated with magnesium metal in the presence of dry ether. देखो मेटल के साथ जब भी हम alkyl halide ट्रीट कर रहे हैं, ड्राई कंडीशन मेंटेन कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. What is the reason that we are maintaining here dry condition? I will explain. Now what here product is obtained? RMgX, that is called Grignard reagent. Alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट कंपाउंड है दोस्तों, क्योंकि आपको इसके बहुत सारे रिएक्शंस है 12th में, ठीक है. So alkyl magnesium halide is prepared by reacting alkyl halide with magnesium. RMgX, that Mg is inserted between Rx. Okay, so it is called RMgX, that is Grignard reagent. Okay, note down this reaction, general reaction. When alkyl halides, what will be the explanation of this reaction? When alkyl halides are treated with magnesium metal in the presence of dry ether, alkyl magnesium halide, which is called Grignard reagent, are formed or obtained. Okay, this is the basic reaction you have. Okay, अब ये RMgX का यूज करके हम क्या कर सकते हैं? अल्केन्स तैयार कर सकते हैं. कैसे करते हैं वो देखते हैं हम. पहले नोट डाउन करके लो ये रिएक्शन. Okay, suppose I'll take this RMGX preparation. You have understood how Grignard reagent is prepared. It is prepared by the reaction between RX and Mg metal. Okay, अब मैं RMGX को ले रहा हूं और उससे मैं अल्केन प्रिपेयर कर रहा हूं. देखो RMGX ये प्रिपेयर हो गया RX से by treating RX with Mg in the presence of dry ether. देखो समझो मैंने RMGX लिया. If I treated this RMGX with water, what happens here? Now this R and H it combines and it forms RH plus MgXOH. This is adduct. So alkane is formed. Additional product is called adduct. Okay. तो ये Grignard reagent से हमने Grignard reagent is converted into alkane. Okay. Now I am taking example, specific example here. एग्जाम्पल के लिए मैं लिख रहा हूं. देखो CH3MgI if it is treated with HOA, that is water, it get converted into CH3 and H, they'll combine and it forms CH4 plus MgBrOH. Okay, this is what methane. It is prepared from methyl magnesium iodide. Methyl magnesium iodide is called Grignard reagent here. Okay, मिथिल मैग्नीशियम आयोडाइड. ठीक है, तो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शन है ये. अगर ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट है और ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट अगर मॉइस्चर के कांटेक्ट में आते हैं, मॉइस्चर यानी इट कंटेन्स सम अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर, देन दिस ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट, इन द ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट दिस CH3 it abstract proton H plus from water and get converted into methane. Okay, so CH4 is the product, methane is obtained. Okay, you can take another example also here. So many examples are there for this reaction. So many examples you can take here. Here you can take C2H5 MgBr. Okay, this is the first reaction we have taken. Suppose I take here C2H5 MgBr plus HOH. What will happen? C2H5 and H. This is ethyl magnesium bromide. So it will get converted into C2H6 and MgBrOH. C2H6, that is ethane. Okay, C2H5 plus H, that is C2H6. MgBrOH is the side product. Okay, so in this way we have converted what? Alkyl magnesium halide, that is Grignard reagent, into alkanes. Okay, so this is also one of the important method of preparation of alkanes, that is hydrocarbons. Okay, so here जब भी Grignard reagent की reactions होती है, अब आपको 12th में ये पॉइंट है, Grignard reagent की बहुत सारी reactions है, तो Grignard reagent की जब भी reactions होती है, that is carried out in dry condition, dry and inert condition. Dry because dry and inert, why the condition is applied? Because if it contains even a small amount of moisture, that is if it contains small amount of water, proton from that water get abstracted by this Grignard reagent and it will get converted into alkane. Okay, अगर Grignard reagent की रिएक्शन है कोई दूसरे कंपाउंड के साथ और अगर उसमें मॉइस्चर है तो वो दूसरे कंपाउंड के साथ रिएक्ट ना होते हुए Grignard reagent क्या होता है? Grignard reagent abstract करता है प्रोटॉन वाटर का और वो अल्केन तैयार करता है. ठीक है, तो ये रिएक्शन आपको पता होनी चाहिए. अगर Grignard reagent और मॉइस्चर है या वाटर है तो Grignard reagent मॉइस्चर से प्रोटॉन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे और Grignard reagent कन्वर्ट हो जाएंगे अल्केन्स में. ठीक है, सो नोट डाउन दिस सेकंड एग्जांपल. And for homework, take questions now. for homework. Now take the questions on this part. Third question is actually, now take the question for homework. Convert the following. First question, CH3CH2Br into CH3CH2CH2CH3. देखो ये हमने वर्ड रिएक्शन में देखा है. अगर नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम्स उसको ट्वाइस करना है आपको, यहाँ पे सोडियम लेना होगा आपको, ठीक है. दूसरा CH3CH2 MgBr into CH3CH3. अभी जो रिएक्शन देखी हमने, ठीक है. तीसरी रिएक्शन CH3CH2CH2R CH3CH2CH3 that we have seen in the previous section. Okay, previous reaction it is. Okay, so we have seen the method of preparations. First, from unsaturated hydrocarbons, how the unsaturated hydrocarbons they get converted into alkanes. Okay, next method of preparation from alkyl halides. By reduction of alkyl halides directly we get alkane, and from alkyl halides, if these alkyl halides they are treated with sodium metal, they get converted into alkanes. Or first alkyl halide is converted into alkyl magnesium halide, that is Grignard reagent, and that Grignard reagent can be reacted with water. So this Grignard reagent abstract proton from the water and get converted into alkanes. Okay, so in this way we have seen the method of preparation of alkanes. Okay, hope you understood these methods. ठीक है, thank you.